putting this at the very beginning of the video because people want to watch me work on the Biscayne a little bit more, or at least on cars in general. Even though we're a car channel, I don't understand, even though we talk about cars and anything and everything, but I guess people are not going to like the plans that we have in the future when we get established even more. But anywho, this is going to be part one. Part two will be coming out hopefully sometime next week. Because it's supposed to rain, as you can see right here. So, yeah. I already felt some water droplets. Good thing I don't have my phone out here, but I'm going to try to get some stuff off over here. But, yeah. So, I guess enjoy part one. Weather's not cooperating at all. Whatever. Hey there, everybody. Hope you're all doing well. Thank you for subscribing and continue to subscribing and supporting us. Really cannot get this far without all of your help. So, the goal for today and tomorrow and probably a little bit of next week. Well, this video might come out next week. Might do some other things too to bring out something between now and then. But for the 58 Biscayne, I'm going to finish taking off the rest of the front clip here. And I want to see about getting the body off the frame and yanking it out and see what's going on with it. Some people have said that these light housings are actually rare. The light bell housing right here, hard to come by. So I was like, yeah, you know what, I'll just keep it, fix it. This came out of the comment. I don't know what to do with that, but anyways, yeah, I'll just keep it, fix this stuff as best as I can. I'm pretty sure I can. I mean, I know I can. I don't know why I said that, but well, to be honest, it's kind of some doubt because I've never really fixed nothing like this before to a certain extent, so it'll be something new. So I'll just save these back and trying to find the guts and everything for them, but I'm pretty sure stuff out of another car might work. But I need to finish yanking the front off and loosen up some other things for the frame, loosen up the steering, take that all apart, and see what problems that may come up on trying to loosen up the body. Because I know there's two in the front, two cab mount bolts, one right there, one on the other side, and someplace, I think somewhere up here in the arch for the frame, there's one there, of course one in the back. So once I get done with the frame, I gotta block this up, I gotta check some more things out, see where things go. I just have to find out where stuff really goes, because this is the first time I've ever worked on a 58 Chevy car of any kind. Hopefully this one's not too bad. So, well, enough gabbing, time to get to work. So far so good. Some things are working out. Got the front clip off, as you saw. I need to try and saw some bolts off over here on the radiator support, but they're not coming off too well. So I'm thinking I'm going to have to get a hammer chisel this weekend. Well, actually I got to for the bolt seat in the Fairlane. And yeah, I went ahead and decided to tape off the front VIN numbers here so that way I can stop dodging around them. But now I got the bolts right here to mess with. Just have to see how these go. I was going to use the mower to haul some stuff over, but since I didn't cover it the other day when the downpour came, water got it down to the oil. So I gotta change that. I gotta get some oil this weekend. So I guess this video is coming out next week. Well, it doesn't matter. I mean, it is what it is. I don't like hauling the railroad ties because every time when I touch them, even with gloves, I somehow get a splinter through them and all that. But anywho, I guess I'll just do some stuff in here. I can kind of clean it out, I suppose. Not much of a... Don't like to do this kind of content because I was wanting to get the body off, but with the mower temporarily down, yeah, I might as well just start digging through here. So yeah, just see what happens. Just see what I could find, in honesty. So I don't know if you could all see this, but it's a Briggs & Stratton key by Milwaukee, and it's a GM. Now, so I switch the cameras over here. I actually have a lock key. But doesn't quite work because the lock mechanism's kind of shot. But yeah, I actually got one of my original keys, which is quite nice. I'm gonna put that on my keychain. It was in the ashtray, and if everyone remembers, I was actually banging this thing around. But I put that knob in there. Not sure what that's still to. But I'm gonna continue digging here. I'm gonna have to grab a shovel and get this stuff out. Yeah. Not sure what I'm gonna find. I'm not sure if I want to sift through it, but we'll find out here. So if everyone's ever remembered on that can that I saw, well, I finally grabbed it. Mission, naturally good, up a lemon soda. Yeah, 12 fluid ounce. Very, very old can. Please do not litter and dispose of properly. Yeah, I just need to do some degreaser stuff and get this stuff off. That won't affect the can at all. But yeah, barely any rust. So that's gonna go up on the collection shelf. That's never seen this kind of brand before. I have to look it up now. But yeah, how about that? First a key, now this. How about that? So I found a few more treasures cleaning it out. Looks like that's some kind of a stuffing. Found an extremely old Reese's wrapper, but it was really no good. But of course this other stuff's trash as well. But looks like they're a chocoholic like I am. I don't know what this is. Yeah, grade A pasteurized chocolate flavored milk from Fairmont Foods Company, Omaha, Nebraska. Sadly, that thing's no good. It's gonna get tossed, which is too bad. Same way with this stuff, because December 1970, as you can see right there. Not quite sure what this is. Might be some sort of a school thing, but sadly, it's really no good. And then I got an extremely old Hershey's Mr. Something. I can't remember, like Good Bar or whatever they were called. Yeah. Of course, that's no good too. But yeah, it's a shame about this really old container because it's still kind of decent, but again, it's just, yeah, too far gone to save. So it's safe to say that this car is pretty much a local state car, Nebraska. Of course, too, from the license plates, but yeah. Well, I'm gonna continue digging on for parts and see what comes of it. So here's another treasure thing. I also found a nurse deal in there too with some woman's beauty product. I guess someone was doing college, and this was a 1970 to 71 college semester abroad. English, France, I guess Austria and Spain. Yeah, it's very interesting. This is actually decent shape. Of course, these kind of ripped, but I'm still going to keep this back because this is quite interesting. Yeah, look at that. Prices: $210, August 26, 1970 to September 14th, 1970. Intensive beginning language program for France, Spain, and Austria. 3-week travel seminar through France, Belgium, Holland, Germany, and Switzerland. Man, this is quite interesting. And this was all covered in that gunk there, so it kind of preserved it a little bit. But yeah, look at the penalty in addition to application fee. Pause the video if you want to look. Yeah, look at that. It's like net tuition, $4,000, 6 months. Yeah. Yeah, this is definitely getting saved back, because it's still decent shape. I almost tossed it, not sure what it was, but I could faintly clean this stuff up to a certain extent and then preserve it back, and hopefully it doesn't disintegrate in whatever, in the case that I put it in. Yeah, well, and so I guess it's safe to say that the Biscayne, well, this was last on the road in, yeah, 69. So I guess someone was about ready to do college or something. Yeah, some lady. So I guess she had this, because I found nothing but a lot of female beauty products in here. They're all in the pile and they're all no good. But yeah, she also had a bag back there too, whatever, that disintegrated, because I'm scooping that out with a shovel. So I have some really good news. I have 3 light bezels and 1 light fixture, at least design. So I just need 1 more. Of course, you know, I showed this in the other video, but looked at this more. Yeah, it's actually really good shape. These are also really good shape. I just need to get the springs and the bolts and such for the adjusters, and then I just need to fix the light wells on that. But I also noticed something too, which I'm surprised now that I did. I actually got a spare tire holder in there, and I was going to look at mocking a Continental kit for the back of this, but I guess I'll probably go for it. Have a spare tire inside and a spare tire on the outside, because I want to start making Continental kits, you know, custom ones, you know, for a living as well, and sell those online. Yeah, I looked at this more. And it's like, how come I didn't quite notice this before? And if I did, I probably forgot. But yeah, holds a big 15. Yeah, so how about that? Well, here's a bottle cap. Oh no, it's no good. It doesn't say anything. But alrighty, back to work. Well, 2 out of 6 bolts has already broken. So that's 9/16. I sprayed underneath, and yeah, I mean, I need new cab mount bolts anyways, but it's might be easy depending on how it goes. But now I need to stop and unhook the the steering shaft off the body over right there. I think I just have to unhook it about right here, as I've never really quite done these models before, and it's a learning experience. So yeah, I just have to see what happens here. But I also noticed something too, that the fender also bolts on right there as well. So how about that? Well, I guess we'll get back to work before before the rain comes, because tomorrow I need to haul off, well, get some wood loaded up and haul it off. So, fun.